Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find Chroma key in Capcut on a PC. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your Capcut application on your PC, and then you have to import the video. So I'm going to click on import and select the video, click on open to add. Alright, so after that guys, we have to drag this video down here, just like this. And now the next thing you have to do is to look at the right hand side of your screen, and you find all these options right here. So we are going to click on videos, make sure video is selected, and then come here and click on cutout. So once you click on cutout, you find the Chroma key. Alright guys, so this is how you can actually find Chroma key and Capcut on the PC. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.